So if you watched the last video, you know that we left off here with the gun recoil being super rough and super choppy. It goes up at a step amount. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to change that to be a smooth variable. So first thing you're going to do, go back into your mouse look script. So go there and then wait for it to load. Go to the top. So you're going to make a public float called recoil speed. And for now, set it to 5. We'll figure out what is the best amount for that. Actually, probably around 20 would be better. And then, so right here where we reset side and up recoil to 0, we're going to delete that. And instead of resetting it, we're going to do side recoil minus equals recoil speed times time dot delta time. So it's like basically it's moving it at a set step for each interval. And up recoil minus equals recoil speed times time dot delta time. And to make sure these don't go into a negative number, because that wouldn't be good, we're going to do if side recoil is less than 0, side recoil equals 0. If up recoil is less than 0, up recoil equals 0. Now that this is done, we can try it on the game. You can see there, it's way too much. Because what's happening is that it's doing it many, many times. So what we're going to do, go into this, and that recoil speed actually didn't seem bad. It actually seemed pretty good. So we're going to go into the shoot script. And since that was, I'd say around 20 times too big of recoil, up recoil and side recoil, we're going to do in where we add the recoil, divide it by about 20 as a float. And then we'll try this out. So this is 20 times less recoil than last time. Since now that we're smoothing it, it's happening more times. It's happening during more frames. So as you can see here, it's way too little recoil. So let's try about 10. Wait for it to compile. Still too little. So you just got to find a balance for whatever works for your game. So for my kind of things, let's try 5. It's all about finding a balance between how much recoil you're putting in and how much you're smoothing it. So that smooth speed, I think this recoil speed is not bad. It might be a little bit slow for some games, but this isn't bad. And that's it. That's all you have to do to smooth it out. And that will be similar, and you can probably think of good ways to put this into an automatic weapon. So if you hold down mouse one, it will go up multiple times. And now it's all good. Thanks for watching.